Today I'm going to show you how to create object to any surface. We will leave it the picture in the timeline. Then select the first layer and go to Effect Control and resize the image. When it's over, then we will go Effect and search corner fill and leave it the top of layer. Then we will go to Effect Control and turn on the corner pin all keyframe. Then come a little far away and move with the image. You will see that the animation is automatically created here. It will match the subject. It's done now. If we turn it on, it look like this. We can make it more beautiful by changing its blending mode. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.